They were hitting them with the sausage.
All right, sucker. Look at me when I'm talking to you.
All right. Okay, we ain't replacing all of that, right?
Yeah, we are.
You think so? Tap on it. You think you?
Nah, that's pretty solid.
I mean, that's a solid too.
What is this right here? This is just particle board.
That's some kind of particle mess. It looks good everywhere, but you know, right through here. So, what you want to do?
Let's get on it. Woo! You see that, boy? God, look how rotten this is over here. Trying to see how far, huh? All right. That sucker smell like it's getting hot already.
It's hot out there.
That stuff coming out now. sucker bent like a daggone snake. My big concern come back. Uh-huh.
Come on down. I said, no, come on down. Come on down.
He's more comfortable moving around up and down the ladders on the roof than either one of us.
I know he is.
You know, so I let a man. I heard a story of a man that was falling off the roof because the roof was slick. He was sliding, and that the boss on the job site went backwards like Michael Jackson down the roof. Grabbed the man's hand, and then with one swing, put a claw hammer in, through the decking of the roof.
Wow.
Stopped him from going off the side of a house in Georgia.
Wow. On the next one, Greg, you talking about? On the next one?
So yeah, it's on pattern. See?
Yeah.
Pat?
No, I'm good, man. Believe me, I'll put one leg. You ain't gonna get two out down. All right.